Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to change language on Apple Store. First of all, you can open the general home settings on iPhone. After opening the settings, you can just simply scroll down. Now tap on general, and here you can now just simply scroll down, and here you will find the option language and region. Tap on it. You can just simply now tap on region here, and after this you can just simply select the region that you live, and after changing the region or select a region, the language is automatically changed. And if you want to edit more languages, you can now tap on add language here, and you can just simply add the other language and you want to use it. And this is the way you can change language on Apple Store. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.